Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take a look at this Unreal Engine Learning Kit released today as a Valentine gift for lonely gamers from Epicgames. So yeah, I'm gonna take a look and open up these blueprints and some of these assets and break down some of the things that might help you to get started. For example, I'm gonna set up this door where if I go to this lever and interact it with, the door will be opened and I can go through it. Similarly, this different door as well, it opens this door and I can go inside. And so yeah, that's basically what I am going to do, break down these assets for you guys and giving some introduction on how to create your own adventures, or how to create your own game, how to tell your own story using these assets. Alright, let's get started. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. So hello everyone. So this is Unreal Learning Kit released in Valentine Day as a gift for the game developers. So yeah, maybe for the people who spend most of the time in front of computers, this is a suitable gift. Or maybe just Epic is just trolling us, like we are not having anything to do in the Valentine Day. Anyway, so here you can download it. Yeah, see, just released in February 14th on the Valentine Day as a gift for lonely people. Right, so yeah, I thought of just checking it out and maybe breaking down some things for you guys. Actually, I'm just opened this for the first time. Actually, not yeah, for the first time, and I waited until the shaders are compiled, like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Anyway, let's see what we can do here. So yeah, these are the animations available with the system and modular kit. Here we have props, lever and a button, a stand on button. What are these? I guess it's a collectible. Would be better if we had some sound effects also. This no, when I press right mouse button, character does this, sort of like a magic trick, summoning or something. And when I press right, it's just like a push it. What is this? Can we? Yeah, the same character. We can't do anything on them. Let's try this lever. Didn't do anything. Maybe let's try to go closer. Still nothing. Nothing. Right mouse button, left shoulder. Okay. Alt. Right. What this buttons does? Well, maybe nothing as for the moment. We can jump. What's this? Nothing. And here okay. That's a wind. Oh wait, how did I do that? I can fly around too. Cool. What's this? Okay, it looks like sort of a magical door. If I press space again, character falls down. Can I do it anywhere? Yeah, if I do a double jump, press space again, character can fly. Okay, let's go over there and see if we have anything interesting. Well, it looks empty, nothing special. I'm not going to go there, otherwise it will take time to get back. All the cool stuff are here. Right, can I do anything with these? Nothing. Okay, I guess we can. There should be a way to. Are these connected with these doors? No. Right, let's go over there and see if we have anything inside. Another collectible. Oh, it's not collecting though. Right, okay, so first thing I want to try with this system is I want to add a lever here, and first I need to be this should be blocked. Let's move this over here. Wait, select both and move over here. And also let's put one of these levers over here, a lever or a button that we can stand on, and when I stand on them, this should open. And here let's add the lever in the wall. Let's try that first. Cool, but let's first check out how this lever works. It does have a handle, spear, lever, deactivate. This does have a lever deactivate event and a lever activate event. Right, okay, then lever BP child. We have a child actor of this lever BP as well. Yeah, that's better. Let's use the child and let's leave the lever BP intact. And this object, is it just a mesh? Yeah, that's just a mesh. Okay, let's select this mesh and this mesh, which creates the door here. That two should be enough, and let's convert them to a blueprint. Convert selection to a blueprint class. Let's use actor, creation method, child actors. Okay, select. Right, let's rename this SM large gate force field. Let's just call it gate blueprint. No, BP gate. That should be enough. And now this is as you can see, this is a blueprint. We have converted this to a blueprint. Right, now here we need first oh wait, child actor component. No, this is, it would be better if these are just meshes. So I undo all the actions I did here. So now this 2 is again mesh, force field mesh, and the 𝐂𝐚𝐭𝐫𝐴 float 20. Right, now I'll delete this blueprints I created as well, and I'm gonna create it in a different way. Select the door, frame, and the force field, and again go here, convert selection to blueprint class, and as the creation method, use harvest component. Let's call it ppget. Right, now these are meshes. Frame, let me rename this frame and door. Okay, that's clear. Now we need a way to connect this with the lever, right? So I'll drag and drop a lever here, let's put it over here. Then let me open the lever child here. Let's add a variable, another variable in the type of actor. So I'm going to define a connection between this lever and some other object that responds to this lever. So I'll make this public so we can set this in the lever. Let's name it connected object. I don't have any other proper name. Right, now we have two events in the lever BP as lever activated and lever deactivated. So let's override them. Lever activated event and lever deactivated event. Oh wait, lever deactivated event. Right, so actually in the parent events we haven't any there is nothing defined, but just in case if we have something in future that would be common to all the child classes of the child blueprints of this lever, let's leave this connected just in case. Right, now here if when the lever is activated on the connected object, if I have some kind of a event that can be called that defines what should happen if this lever is activated, and if I have another event on the connected object that should define what happens when the lever is deactivated. So we can define an interface for that. Do we have any existing interfaces in this project? No. Oh, interactions. No, actually this is for, yeah, this is for character interactions. Okay, so here interactables, let's create a blueprint interface bpi lever connector. On activated, what's the lever? Let's call it on lever activated, and another function only were deactivated. Right, save everything and go to the BP gate. Here under class settings, let's add that interface BPI lever connector. Now here on lever activated and on lever deactivated. First let me check the collisions of this. Collision present of this is default. What's the default? For the frame, I think it should be block all. Yeah, for the frame it should be like that. What about this force field? This is also set to block all. Do we have any collisions, by the way? No, we don't. What about the door? Okay, this does have, but for this one it doesn't have any collision. So let's under collision and add auto convex collision and update. Oh, it doesn't calculate. Maybe that's because this does not have any thickness. So let's add a box. Right, let's make it a little wider, thick, so character will not go through this. I mean, character will not overlap with this. Right, now let's see. When I go to the door, I should not be able to go through it. See, I can't. Okay. Now in the BP gate, what should I do? On lever activated, select the door. Current location is 89. Oh, sorry, it's the rotation. Current location is 0. If I change this to like minus 322, we can walk through it. Let's set to 320 minus. Okay, so only we activated. I'll select the door and do a move component to relative rotation. I'll keep as same, get relative rotation. Don't need to change it. This I'll set to minus 320 in, let's say 1 second. Right, and if similarly when the lever deactivated, I'm gonna set this again back to 0. Right, now let's go back to the lever, BP lever child, and the connected object I'll call on lever activated here and on lever deactivated here. First let's make sure we have a valid reference set to the connected object. Before trying to call it. Right, now here as the connected object I can select any actor in the level, so I'll use this pick actor from the scene and click on this gate I just created. So BP gate is selected. Right, now let's see. Okay, nothing happened. Alright, so by default it is already deactivated. Okay, so this should be initially activated. Oh, wait, lever up. Yeah, this should be like this by default. Now let's see. Okay, it is working. Now we can walk through it, and if I close the door, I can't move through it. So a simple mechanism for your game. Wait, I have to keep the right mouse button pressed until the action is completed. Alright. Okay. Now this one is also okay. Let's set up a lever for this door as well. We can yeah, we can actually use the same thing. Press Alt button in your keyboard and drag, so it will duplicate, but sorry, select the door and this lever, move it like this, and here delete this force field. And what is this mesh? SM kit wall door. Right, so now select this blueprint and instead of the frame use this object. Okay, wait, to any place you want, then delete this mesh and move this door with the blueprint to the appropriate location. Right, no, Okay, that's fine, I guess. Now move this lever also to the side of the door. And as the reference, okay, reference is already set to gate 2. See, automatically, that's smart. Right, now let's try playing the game. Okay, open the door, and here I can't go through. Okay, that door is also open. Cool. Now I can go in. Alright, so I think I think that's enough for this introduction to this learning kit. So like this, you can use this asset to create your own stories, create your own adventures, and basically make your own game with some more elements. I hope I could give some insight on how to use these mechanisms. Actually, there are a lot of things still that I haven't checked yet, but I guess this should be enough for you to get started, and thanks for watching. So I will if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and I will not upload this project file into the my Patreon as usual, because you can freely download it through the Epic store, Epic Marketplace, Unreal Engine Marketplace. But if you get the membership of the Patreon page, you will have access to all the project files of all the things that I have done in my Patreon and in my channel. So thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.